What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, your go-to place for smart tech that genuinely makes your life easier, cooler, and more futuristic. Today, we're diving into something that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, the RayNeo Air 3XR glasses. Imagine having a gigantic virtual screen right in front of your eyes wherever you go. No bulky monitors, no tangled wires, just pure immersive experience. Sounds crazy? Well, it's real, and it's here to change the way you consume content, work, and game on the move. Remember, the product link is down in the description below, so don't miss out. Before we jump in, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you love tech that actually makes life easier, and drop a comment below telling me, would you wear smart glasses that replace your phone or laptop screen? Now, the RayNeo Air 3XR glasses aren't just a gadget, they're a revolution in portable displays. First off, these glasses pack micro OLED panels with 1080p full HD resolution per eye. That means sharp, vibrant visuals that pop with amazing contrast and colors. With a 46-degree field of view, you get that immersive cinema-like feel, but without overwhelming your vision. One of the coolest things? These glasses are designed to be comfortable enough for extended wear, whether you're gaming for hours, binge watching your favorite shows, or grinding through work emails. The frame is sleek and stylish, so you won't look like you're stuck in the future. Well, maybe a little. Plugging them in is a breeze. Whether you've got an Android phone, a laptop, Steam Deck, Nintendo Switch, or even a DJI drone, just connect via USB-C and you're ready to roll. There's no complicated setup or clunky software needed. It's just plug and play with ultra-low latency, so there's no annoying lag to mess with your experience. Audio is handled through built-in directional speakers that deliver clear sound without blasting it everywhere. If you prefer, you can also plug in earbuds for a more private experience. It's all about flexibility. Now, let's talk about real-world uses. If you're a gamer, imagine taking your favorite titles on the go, having a massive personal screen wherever you want. No more cramped smartphone screens or lugging around a bulky laptop. Just put these on, connect your device, and game on. For professionals, the RayNeo Air 3S are a game changer. Remote work just got a massive upgrade. You can open multiple windows, edit documents, or review spreadsheets on a giant virtual screen, even if you're at a coffee shop or traveling. It's like carrying a portable office that fits in your bag. One thing that's different here, these glasses don't have a built-in battery. Instead, they draw power from the device you connect to. That means no extra charging hassles. As long as your phone or laptop has juice, you're good to go. Privacy is another huge win. The virtual display is only visible to you, so you can watch sensitive content or work on confidential projects without worrying about prying eyes. When you're done, just fold them up and stash them away like normal glasses. Easy, convenient, and discreet. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you wear prescription glasses, you'll need a separate adapter. Also, in bright, direct sunlight, the screen can be a little harder to see, but indoors and under regular lighting conditions, it's perfect. And for those worried about eye strain, these glasses use advanced optics, designed to reduce fatigue, but it's always smart to take breaks during long sessions. The RayNeo Air 3S support 1080p, so you get sharp visuals, whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or gaming. Speaking of gaming, the glasses support Steam and Switch, making them perfect for portable gaming enthusiasts who want a big screen experience without the bulk. The glasses also work great with DJI drones. Imagine flying your drone and seeing the live feed right in your glasses, giving you a first-person view that's immersive and hands-free. And let's talk about style again. The frames look modern and sleek, so you can wear them out without feeling self-conscious. Whether you're at work, in a cafe, or just chilling at home, they fit right in. Now, how about sound? The directional speakers are designed to keep your audio private but clear. You won't annoy people nearby, but you also won't miss a beat. Perfect for watching movies or playing games late at night. Battery life? Since the glasses pull power from your connected device, the limiting factor is your phone or laptop battery. Just make sure to keep your device charged for the best experience. If you're a pet owner or love to multitask, imagine watching a movie on the couch while keeping an eye on your furry friend without the distractions of a traditional screen, or working on your laptop with a massive virtual monitor that doesn't clutter your desk. The glasses are also very durable, made with quality materials that can handle daily use and travel. Plus, they come with a sturdy case to keep them safe when you're on the go. The RayNeo Air 3SXR glasses aren't just about tech specs, they're about lifestyle. They change how you interact with your devices and free you from the limits of traditional screens. So, what do you get when you invest in these glasses? You get a super portable, high-res, immersive display that fits in your pocket and turns any compatible device into a giant screen. It's comfortable, versatile, and easy to use. This is the future of portable computing and entertainment, packed into a pair of glasses. No more squinting at tiny screens, no more lugging around bulky laptops, just pure, futuristic freedom. If you've been waiting for a tech upgrade that's genuinely innovative and practical. The RayNeo Air 3 SXR glasses are it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you rock these glasses daily? And hey, if you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome smart tech breakdowns, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay smart, stay futuristic. Peace out.